there's a dark side to tarot card meanings and doing pick a card and having psychic readings. Most notably, it happens through tarot cards and pick a cards. And I'm going to talk about it because it's super important and it's really causing a lot of damage to a lot of people and they don't realize it's happening. I was going to film this video inside, but check out how pretty it is on sunset. Gorgeous red rocks, and we got white ones over there where the sun sets. Those ones are like sand cliffs over there. And it's just an absolutely gorgeous day and a great day to be grateful that you're alive. And so in this video, my name's Jake Ducey. It's also my name in my other videos as well. But in this video, I'm gonna break down 3 things you need to look out for with tarot cards, pick a card, psychic readings, zodiac signs. These are very dangerous if you don't know this, and it can truly change your life. So make sure you hit the like button right over there and right over there, and comment down below. I create my destiny. And now I'm gonna leave this beautiful view behind and go inside. Number 1 is desperation. And this is super important because what happens is a lot of people use tarot cards and psychic reading and zodiac signs, or they do pick a card, but they do it out of desperation. They're having such a hard time in life. They still haven't gotten that job or the money. They still haven't found their soulmate or their life's path. They're having a lot of difficulties. And so they go into it with desperation. And what happens a lot of time is because your subconscious creates everything, including your experience with, for say, a tarot card, you can project your desperation out into the experience and then take it as absolute truth. So it could tell you something not that ideal or not that pleasing, or maybe you go to a psychic and they tell you something not that great that might happen. And because you're in a state of desperation, you take it as absolute truth. And what happens is the tarot card, the psychic, the zodiac sign, the astrology sign, you embed it into your subconscious mind, and because your consciousness creates reality, not the tarot card, not the psychic, you embed it into your subconscious mind, and then you actually use it to create a limiting future, and it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy where you then say, oh my gosh, look, it was right. Oh my gosh, look, they were right. And so it's very important to clear your energy before you go into an experience like this. And you just can clear your energy in a simple way by just taking a nice few deep breaths in and out. And you can remind yourself that you create your reality. The psychic doesn't, the tarot card doesn't, the zodiac sign doesn't. Your consciousness and your own free will does it. And then what happens is all of these things become tools that can assist you in uplifting your awareness. Now, the best way to do this is to start to work at reprogramming your subconscious mind. And that's what this channel is all about, and that's why I have a free success hypnosis that I always give out to everybody that's designed to reprogram your subconscious mind. Because if you can do that, you can get to the core of the lot of habitual desperation, limitation, and fear that can manifest itself, that can sometimes make us vulnerable to other people or other things, negative predictions. So right there down below is my free success hypnosis in the description and comments. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com, and you can go ahead and use that right now for free to start working on that maybe before you use your tarot card. And all of a sudden what's going to happen is, with your tarot card, or your zodiac sign, or your psychic, or your picky card, you're going to see a difference in how it manifests itself because you got to the root of the subconscious. So check it out in the description and comments. It's free. It's jakeshypnosis.com. Number 2 is letting go. And more importantly, letting go of what we think we need to know. A lot of times we give up our power, our free will to change situations because we want to know how the future will look. And the truth is, all the energy that ever was and ever will be is happening simultaneously. So all realities are already occurring on the quantum field. So pick a card, a psychic reading, it's all pulling from a quantum field of possibilities that already exist. And so what happens a lot of times is we carry the same type of desperation or fear through a simple thing such as needing so bad to know exactly what's going to happen. And when that occurs, sometimes we can miss the meaning of the tarot card or the psychic or the clue we get from the universe because we're taking it so literal. And sometimes this can be negative. I know a person that actually thought through a tarot card psychic reading that they were going to have terrible news with their business. They were going to have some really bad things happen. They interpreted that as really bad legal things that were going to happen. And they built this whole fear complex. And I said, you got to be really careful because you're the one creating your own reality. And you've now built this complex that this tarot card and psychic reading was right that said that you were going to have all this bad stuff that was going to happen and you need to be prepared. And so what happened is you've embodied all these negative frequencies and you think it's absolute truth when in fact it's only relative truth. It's one spectrum of an infinite field of possibilities. You've condensed it as an absolute fact and you're playing it out because you were so desperate about needing to know what the next year in your business was going to look like. And what I invite you to do is remember that there actually is a higher power in our life that will orchestrate itself perfectly. And we don't need to know every single solitary detail. So I invite you before you go into any of your readings, I invite you to just say the simple phrase, I surrender to the highest good of the universe. I surrender to the highest good of the universe. And when this happens, it gets your ego out of the way so the highest and best good can come through. And when you remember it's not absolute truth, then it becomes something that actually serves you. So comment down below, I am letting go for my highest good. Comment down below, I am letting go for my highest good. Number 3 is set your intentions clearly. You're the creator of your reality and everything that you're experiencing with tarot cards, psychic reading, all that stuff, anything, any medium you use, it's about you and your own highest and best good. And so it's important that you set the intention of that beforehand. So think about what your primary intentions are. Is it clarity in work? Is it romance? Is it that you're looking for more money? Is it business? What is it that is your primary intentions? And before you go into it, simply close your eyes and affirm your intentions to the universe and end it by saying thank you. When you end something by saying thank you, when you're communicating with the universe, this cements the ask into the quantum field and it gets you an instantaneous result. And so when you go into it and you know your intention is around clarity with romance, when you go into the tarot card like that, or you go into the psychic reading like that, what happens is the tarot card or the psychic reading, the psychic is picking up on your subconscious. The tarot card is picking up on your subconscious, and it's manifesting based off of the projection of your own energy in your subconscious. And so when you realize that and you set a clear intention, you cement where the energy will go. And this in turn makes sure that the tarot card or the psychic or whatever it is, it gives you exactly what you need at exactly the right time. So set a clear and powerful intention. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com and tarot cards, psychic, zodiac, astrology, pick a card. It could all be powerful tools if you're going into it with the right energy, the right vibration, and the right frame of mind. These are the 3 biggest dangers and how you can start to use them for your own benefit to get the best results possible. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button right there or right there on this side. Make sure you comment down below, all is well. Comment down below, all is well. And if you haven't yet, make sure you get my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. You'll see it in the description and then you'll see it in the comments. It's jakeshypnosis.com and it's free to start to reprogram your subconscious. Get rid of all the negative crap and all the things that are programmed into our mind by society. 2020 has been a crazy year. A lot of people have been programmed with negativity financially and with health. And so it's important to reprogram all of those thoughts in your subconscious. And so it's jakeshypnosis.com. So go ahead and get that right now for free. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification on either side. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.